Hello, I just found a server that is, I don't know, there's junk. It's like an incident. Apa?
Yeah, hey guys, do I got a leaky bum? Come on, look at the stools. Hey guys, do I got a leaky bum? Come on, look at the stools.
I swear to
Hey guys,
junk.
do I got a leaky bum? Come on, look at the stools. Is there a leaky bum? Somebody check the mirror. I know I got a leaky bum. Yeah, hey guys, do I got a leaky bum?
Swear.
Come on, look at the stools. Is there a leaky bum? Somebody check the mirror. I know I got a leaky bum.
Eat my shorts.
Yeah, hey guys, do I got a leaky bum? Come on, look at the stools. Is there a leaky bum? Somebody check the rear. I know I got a leaky bum.
Dude. Stop. Get this thing out.
Yeah, hey guys, do I got a leaky bum? Come on, look at the stools. Is there a leaky bum? Somebody check the rear. I know I got a leaky bum. Yeah, hey guys, leaky bum. Yeah, hey guys, do I got a leaky bum?
Oh my.
Is there a leaky bum? I
Please.
know I got a leaky
Stop.
bum.
It's always this. It's always this.
Yeah, hey guys, do I got a leaky bum? Somebody check the rear. I know I got a leaky bum.
Yeah. What? Did you just ball hop?
I'm trying to clarify all the events that happened tonight and to try to, because really I only have, statements from people that were out there, and I would like to get your side of things and try to understand what exactly happened for us right now. I guess it is.
Basically, he was right there screaming, yelling, the kids were going back and forth. I miserable headache, went inside, laid down. They finally got quiet. They came outside and it's 3 points ago. They're like, guys, you're trespassing, come on, get out of here. And then they were like, I'm gonna tell my mom, go tell mom, I don't care, And so they go home, and then all of a sudden she comes out and she is banging on my door, like, going like that. I'm like, not doing this anymore. And then she started banging so hard, everything started shaking. And I'm like, what are you doing? And I said, I didn't fucking kill you. And she's just banging away. But I'm like, she has actually heart attack. It just keeps getting worse and worse. Like, I don't know what to do with her. And she banged so hard, everybody in my door was going to fly off. And I panicked. And I was like, oh my gosh, she's going to be this time. And so, I don't actually remember the videos now. I just remember shooting.
How long do you think she was?
I can't even speculate because it could have been seconds, it could have been, when you get that third response, and, she banged on it, I was in the bathroom, came out of the bathroom, and she was still banging on it. So I don't know, maybe it hurt me.
And you didn't try to call 911 back at that
I
phone?
didn't know where my phone.
You don't remember your phone?
I was like, right back in front of the phone.
So when anybody contacted 911, did they advise you that someone was responding, an officer was responding?
They said, my good news, make sure you're outside. I'm like, okay,
Iya, sinabi na kinuha niya yung cellphone.
What was the deal with the woman? Because again, we talked to a lot of people who were outside. And some of it.
What? Everything's back.
Did you know that I had that? Or what is the thing about the umbrella? You have the umbrella?
I thought it was raining before I looked out and it wasn't raining, I was like, okay. So,
They swung you out there, Marshall, or one of them?
I wasn't even close, I was still inside the vestibule. So,
How can we explain that then with people saying, like multiple people that weren't like talking to each other, that if they were saying that that's what they saw?
I don't know. Maybe I did step out and I'm like, guys, go away, but I would never touch him.
Nice video,